Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make some braised pork belly, yeah, my daughter's favorite. So I have some about maybe 300-400 grams of blanched pork belly here. After I blanch it, I actually cut it into big chunks like this. Then we have some garlic, shallot, ginger, and some rock sugar. And this is some 13 spice powder. You can replace it with 5 spice powder. To make the braised broth, we have some light soya sauce, Shaoxing wine, dark soya sauce, and of course you need some filtered water. Usually I will use hot water. I'm going to use a cast iron pot today because I want to make it a bit more softer. Yeah, give it a little bit of oil, and we shall put in the raw sugar. Use medium-low heat. We're going to melt and caramelize the raw sugar. This process will take a couple of minutes. Yeah, it won't take very long. Just keep on stirring and don't use too high heat. You want to saute and melt the sugar until it becomes a thick brownie color. I started to see some smoke coming up, too hot, so I'm reducing the fire right now to a low fire. You don't want to burn your sugar. See, it started to become dark caramelized color and it started to bubble right now. Can you see the bubbles? Right, now we are getting the beautiful dark caramelized color. This is nice. We can put in the pork. Let's give it a few stir. Coat the pork nicely. So here you will be doing the first round of coloring the pork, and to give it a sweet tinge of sweetness, slight tinge of sweetness. I'm going to give it some light soya sauce and some dark soya sauce. My dark soya sauce is finishing. Come, faster. This is probably about 2-3 tablespoons, yeah? Now we can raise the heat a little bit to medium. Don't know why. Sugar plus soya sauce, these two things come together, it gives you very, very fragrant flavor. And now I'm smelling it right now. I hope you all can smell it too, yeah? Right, now we are going to put in the fresh herbs, some 13 spice powder, some of my Cooking Appa chicken salt powder as well. Or you can saute the fresh herbs before this also. That will be even better. Appa forgot to do that today. 1 small bowl of Shaoxing wine. Now we can raise the heat to medium high, and also some hot water. I'm going to put a little bit more hot water today because I'm going to slow cook this for much longer time. Usually I only slow cook it for about 20 minutes. Today I'll be doing probably at least double the time. So I need to put in a bit more liquid to allow it to reduce. Yeah. Since I've forgotten to saute the fresh herb just now, let me add in some fried garlic ginger oil. And let's give it half teaspoon of salt to start with. Now that it is boiling, I'm going to close the lid and tune down to medium-low. And I shall cook it for at least about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Let me just set it to 1 hour. The only thing about setting it to 1 hour is later, especially 30 minutes later, you need to keep on coming and check the water level. Don't let it dry out. Right, this is slightly over 1 hour. Oh, Actually, my whole house already super fragrant. Usually, I only cook for about 20 minutes. This is more than 60 minutes today. I prefer something more tender. Okay? So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Apa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.